How's it going, everybody? This is James Harris of Southside Dents and Cosmetics. Today I'm working on a Mercedes-Benz C300. We've got a dent right on the quarter panel next to the fuel door. So let's go ahead and get this thing knocked out. So here's our dent. And as you guys can see, it's right next to this fuel door. So what happens with fuel doors is if I try to take out this rear tail light over here and slide a tool in back behind this panel and try to push this from the back side, there might be something in my way. So what I'm going to do for this repair is the first thing I'm going to attempt is a glue pull. So I've got my glue gun warming up. Let's get everything set up and give it a quick pull. Alright guys, here's our finished product. There's still a little bit of a low right at the top of this dent. However, comparatively, it's very good. It's well within the expectations of our customers. Alright guys, unfortunately we were not able to glass this one. I would say that we were 85% of the way there. Still a little bit of a low right at the top of the dent, right next to the body line. However, it's well within the expectations of our customer. They're very happy with it. And so we're going to send this thing on, and we're going to move on to the next one. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you got something out of this, and I'll catch you on the next one.